Today, we're delving into the features of the Keithley DMM6500, a 6½-digit touchscreen multimeter that's changing the game. This device brings a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen display, providing a user-friendly experience with pinch and zoom capabilities. Its analog measurement performance boasts impressive accuracy levels, delivering 25 ppm basic DC voltage accuracy for 1 year and 30 ppm for 2 years, potentially extending calibration cycles. With 15 measurement functions, including capacitance, temperature, and digitizing capabilities, it covers a wide range of needs without requiring additional purchases. The built-in intelligence with test script processing allows executing tests without PC interaction and controlling other instruments, enhancing efficiency. Moreover, its emulation of the Keithley 2000 DMM and the Keithley 34401A DMM enables seamless upgrades without altering existing test code. The device's connectivity options, from USB to Ethernet interfaces, along with optional GPIB, RS-232, and TSP-Link interfaces, make it one of the most versatile 6½-digit DMMs available in the market. Overall, the Keithley DMM6500 packs a punch with its functionality, accuracy, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for various measurement applications. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.